Welcome to the fascinating world of fire ants, a tiny but formidable force of nature that commands attention. In this 5-minute journey, we will delve into the intricate lives of these industrious insects, exploring their habitat, their predatory prowess, and the potential dangers they pose to humans. Our story begins in the warm and humid regions of the world, where fire ants have established their intricate societies. From open fields to dense forests, these resilient insects have adapted to a variety of environments, showcasing their remarkable ability to thrive in diverse habitats. Their colonies can be found underground, creating intricate networks of tunnels and chambers, forming bustling communities. Within these colonies, each individual plays a specific role, contributing to the overall success of the community. Worker ants, easily identifiable by their reddish-brown coloration, tirelessly forage for food, while soldier ants stand guard, ready to defend their nest against any potential threats. Fire ants are voracious predators, preying on a variety of insects and small invertebrates. Their cooperative hunting strategies make them particularly effective at overpowering much larger prey. Once a potential meal is detected, these relentless ants quickly swarm, using their powerful mandibles and stingers to subdue their victim. Their venomous stings not only immobilize their prey but also inject a potent cocktail of toxins. This venom is not only effective against other insects but also poses a potential threat to larger animals, including humans. While fire ants are generally not aggressive towards humans, they can become a danger when their nests are disturbed. When provoked, these tiny warriors unleash a coordinated attack, swarming and delivering painful stings. For individuals with allergies or sensitivity to ant venom, these encounters can lead to severe reactions, requiring immediate medical attention. It's important to be cautious and aware of their presence, especially in regions where fire ants are prevalent. These insects have managed to spread beyond their native habitats, establishing themselves as invasive species in many parts of the world. However, it's essential to acknowledge the ecological role fire ants play. They contribute to the balance of ecosystems by controlling the populations of other insects and serving as a crucial food source for various predators, including birds. In conclusion, the world of fire ants is a captivating blend of teamwork, adaptability, and, at times, a reminder of the potential risks they pose to those who cross their path. As we continue to explore the wonders of the natural world, let us approach these tiny yet powerful creatures with respect and understanding.